The very first thing is we shared with the public is the bombing. Everybody was talking about the Gaza hospital bombing, causing hundreds of casualties. But according to our exclusive intels, those casualties are actually caused by the bomb that planted in the hospital, underneath the hospital. Okay, so it may be detonated by the rocket or maybe detonated by something else. We don't know that, but we know the casualty is caused by the bomb. And the second is the war just beginning. Okay, so this regional war that we see, initial attack to the Israelis' response, it's just the beginning of the war. And the third, it talks about prior to the attack, the CCP government has replaced all the existing cell phones that used by the terrorist groups, Hamas and the government, replaced with Huawei cell phone and Xiaomi cell phones. And for people do not familiar with those brands, these are basically exclusively made in Chinese Communist Party, by the Chinese Communist Party in China. Okay. The fourth intel, very specific. It's 2 weeks prior to the attack, the CCP has sent an unusually large volume of military suppliers and personnel through Egyptian ports and airports, then distributed them to Syria and Lebanon. Okay, so this is very specific with the 3 countries. And then the last piece of intel that we shared is the CCP plan to destroy evidence in Gaza in the name of humanitarian relief or rescue, because they were trying to negotiate in United Nations in ceasefire, and they wanted to go into Gaza and to destroy those evidence of weapons they left, possibly would pin back to those real criminals and terrorists.